He's not afraid to come to Ghana. But until your government, your useless government and your stupid security agencies learn to respect the rights and the dignity of ordinary citizens, until your useless judges are able to
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TVGH so what frame Adroa searching. Ebusuan for Yebekaya, Abrana NDC for ewo opposition and normal air campaign no. Omo chichire e pobi edito Ghana for HRM. Na mejidi passe and nam sapone so ena Ghana for eji boom eto abandema NDC amayokwa nenya asem keto akrado. Epa NDC for echichire to Ghana for HRM ne say. Senyame ya adom no mo de tumi no ehye omo nsa. NPP fo mpendifo no edi sika pint no mo ba omo bechi omo egum no mo age Ghana fo gen sika ede amaye sa asem we eye Ghana fo de ene 2024 abato na nya asem keto akra ye na ye nkuku a NPP fo edi na nya asem keto akra na nyame ya adom a NDC fo enya atumi no omo ba no omo ekire Ghana fo say indeed omo promise omo na omo fulfill omo promises a omo promise no ye na yenim eye tormenta NDC for torment NPP for mpendefo ni bi owura chairman untimi ye na yenim ende na okọ iyoku na okọ court na ofa ha afa nipa ba ko a NDC for tete ni ye panso eye former finance minister owura Ken Ofori-Atta ene enda no mo ye press conference o yare kra onfri US embra enda na say owura Ken Ofori-Atta afa lawyer so mo begina na nem na nsem bi o bi omo ne no enka no NDC for sida so one shebo so mechana to me de edana esese odim na ebusuafo and the man bi aba out na menim se man we oye owura Ken Ofori-Atta ne busuni dia minti menchire wate eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama won na ensema wa ka kire no yensem keto akra o kire se o ma eye his excellency John Dramani Mahama won na o ka kire ne se owura Ken Ofori-Atta ondi Ghana sika da Abraham oye finance minister no amfaninsa anka Ghana sika na owura Ken Ofori-Atta no he was brought up from a decent home and after so he is not afraid to come to Ghana but in some way and okan and I quote but until your useless government and your stupid security agencies learn to respect the right and dignity of the ordinary citizens no enya dia owura Ken Ofori-Atta to nurse Ghana hande and also chna papa at the ensem way ama his excellency John Dramani Mahama yenti esen ensem no esi ekoy
Ghana for obi country president Mahama on second Ofori-Atta. He's never afraid to come to Ghana. Somebody should tell President Mahama and his corrupt NDC government. Second Ofori-Atta was brought up from a very decent and a noble home. He came from a royal family. He went to very good school. And he's established one of the most profitable financial organizations in the whole of Africa. Data Bank, go and check their record. Ken Ofori-Atta is a self-made nobleman. He owns funeral homes. He owns insurance companies, even before coming into government. He's not a politician. Ken Ofori-Atta was brought up properly from a Christian home. So he has never misappropriated a dime of the taxpayers' money. He's not afraid to come to Ghana. But until your government, your useless government and your stupid security agencies learn to respect the rights and the dignity of ordinary citizens, until your useless judges are able to explain and tell Ghanaians, say everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty. Now, Oman said to me at giant ammunitions and cocaine feel whilst is away, whilst his little children are there, soldiers and useless security agencies bundle guns around, ransack his home, and you expect him to come to Ghana, a useless government and running a useless country, because as software doing, civil society organizations are calm because all of them have been corrupted. So you don't know, even judges and Ketese Mutimi making sure say people are treated well. Dubois and his wife were accosted at the airport, bundled like criminals. When no charges had been preferred against them, they were kept more than a month by useless security agencies who don't know. Say everyone is presumed innocent until proven guilty. What did you do to wound to me? Your useless attorney general is finding it difficult to prefer any charge against wound to me. After disgracing Dubois and his wife, Today, Attorney General is changing his mouth when he said that, oh, Dubois has stolen $7 million. He bought this, he bought that, he bought that. Now he's saying that even if he's able to prove that Dubois stole once he has done. Look at such a shameless Attorney General. Ken Ofori-Atta comes from a decent home. He's lived a very decent life. He was brought up properly. So he will not misappropriate any state's funds. It was under the policies of Ken Ofori-Atta that Nana Akufo-Addo was able to run the free SHS very successfully to make Ghana's education the second best in the whole of Africa. Look at the way our children are feeling. Such a useless, directionless government. Namu disgracing Kofomu. After all the noise you made about Wontumi, you can't establish anything against him. Your useless officials, NDC criminal officials, misappropriated 5.7 billion and 57 trillion of the taxpayers' money. Your Attorney General came to cancel it. Said Inam Tamekula, a shameless NDC woman, connived with NDC officials, stole 900 billion of the taxpayers' money. She's in abroad. Your useless Yoko people cannot bring her down to face prosecution after 1 year. Mukoye Dede about Cecilia Dapa, what happened? You couldn't prefer any charge against Cecilia Dapa. The case has become useless. And there Osasibe, he's still languishing in jail because 800 million Ghana cedi bail condition placed on him when no charge. He has not been found guilty of any crime. How can judges live in this country and behave like NDC branch executives rather than adjudicators of the law? Now, you expect Ken Ofori-Atta to come. Ken has not prepared. At the end of the day, it is you who are accusing him. So make up a case. Today, your Attorney General says that before they will be able to bring him down, they need to prefer a solid case. You don't have a solid case, yet to call him a fugitive. Such a useless, disgraceful government. Ken Ofori-Atta on issue that chat to some man paying binuan. Ken Ofori-Atta on evade taxes to some man paying binuan combat me a jail. On to say MPs be amuji double salary and get so much jail. So Nana Akufo-Addo kaze ye momu and tenase. Such a useless government. You compare yourself to MPP. You are the big goom anymore. See what am I? Ken Ofori-Atta. Ken will come at the appropriate time. Shameless government.
And this is for you didn't continue my book for oh yes. By the time I young got to about the next time, no, not a year and this for a corner and ye get to na enya me akwasi e na mekofa to wo so this for na won Zambia won Lome bebi a ye de ensa ko hyehyeye asofo 2x4 no bi mu ne ama wo mo ye e na anu ba ko ati free na jegezi wakọ na nte Zambia aban ba ye yenhye da mfre no aban ba ye omo man feel important into and de ono anam e na radio asemo ma me mic na mekasa e de na aba o se eduru acheme na jegezi mo ye den. We did a lot of evil stuff against MPP. Ya ye niama boni bebre de tia MPP. Ya ye niama boni bebre patron yam na make o. Mesrao na jegezi anu mo asem na make en. You see one nam no Ay3ka. Se niama wo mo yo ye baby ekokokoko ye niama yisiesie ye no na enafom. Aden na de na jegezi kasa wo kasa because ye ba ye no nkrofo bi didi ebi ndidi ye. Into na wobeka sem na ye ni na ye hu yetena ha ka kire mo say sa enifra ye de ma Ghana no enye normal be even if John Mahama was supposed to win not by that margin it didn't make sense but yan mo bi ne ka mo dwene say na we ba umi ni pa MPP ni na MPP dey no problem ene esunsunsanso ni na eba. And then this is for after my video. No, monam. One may be matem, one may be praising me. Now, Mr. apart from Mahama, no leader bang and in Ghana for Ajuni. So I said, now me kanya manti ase. Mama min chire apart from John Dramani Mahama, leader bang no what Ghana, onim Ghana for Ajuni. Now we steady Ghana for a home. Nobody. Ofa na Akufo-Addo a obi akwawo ne ba tentia wo di ne be ko school obe mana ye krachi ni wasoma o Akufo-Addo obi asoma ze fa ne be ko school yan soma o ba omi aso de ne de nam nchen e na me de me ba digital one the catch us Ghana for per digital why Ghana for petokoku ba water friend in na wo din in na water friend in na bodam. Yes, fama no madam. Wo di wie kura no be bodam a fama ni no madam. And that is what Mahama knows. Into a tapping in. Like I said, you obi to me be Gina Ghana for him simply so. I can't tell Ghana for now say you was short memory. Ghana for the yard biniswa. The abe can be a fat. And no until oka troka kakra no aka no kre kakra now with the afrafra now with the call. Yes, one mayor president. Otimo say onim say we be see hospital dia makukure ntumi for mpacho there bi. Fato e mo bag me en saburo nya be na be chema yen. Okuyen kura. Utie. Say kedefo twan den kedefo twan hospital. E dey na dey hospital ye. Ye betiti nunum na dey asesa saa. Utie ye de nunum na ye champon no ye tete a ye de boho kakra gum ye de yi sabe ye nsrawa me ensa ye de atum esuru wi sanie efom wi sanie pepre na ye afra na bibia kama na ye de asa ye hia hospital anu nto na do ne baomi amani abere na ye se chichire Ghana. We have to build Ghana as the institutions here from the because entita Ghana ni tie me and ya kwan di enye and akwan and na wofa so na wakowu and akwan we di asay yo and Ghana for mpanifo no nya ya kwan and ya kwan na asay and akwan ni say afere kufu ado bai no ka ya akwan na ye bury really Mesi obi krom kota wo mu hu bi da enye na do dan kwa kufu ado government yanka kota ni krom ye hu bi da me na mka me kire enye na do dan kwa kufu ado ba wo mia MPP government ye ba ya anke fie bi wo ho a onipa ba akokura nko JSS krada me na mka me kire nso ye wie ni na echi be ka se kufu ado ba ye wa meye hwe ne mensia wo mu ni na wie kufu ado wa meye hwe ekura na ya takwa me dan wo mu ni na hu asphalt. That is what is called development. Because driver ni a wo dwen say ya kwan ya nya de pape. Wonim de enti a atonso okọ
Osin the network, yeah, okay. Osin the network, me that's. Watching ya bra, watching ya body phone to ambra watching. Watching ya, Miss Mamma, quite to the Yamotre, watching a bentem and rush it. Yeah, you also OLU. Minya, Majo. Yeah, you also. I need your bedding a crack. Party no free in the own promise is here by critical because a back where I say about you soon in the apartment until 1 year. I and then and there a fencing. Oh, as I see we go pram. Debbie, as I see, Debbie, as contract, no, as I see, or call another one, another. Oh, McDonald, only McDonald assassin. Very good. I know the different on it. Down, Omunya, the audio ni PND, no assassin on or PA or Simba, one dia, or back contest assay system. Mo assassin oh I'm very few cree how come from saying pram ningo pram eno na ma o de saa na bufu nti yaw de bi woni mu obani yaw pa de o wo yaw de ade na wo yeni nda no wa ya na je so o sei no makeke yaw yen na ni edna chi o yen ya ti hai